Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today we're doing a hashtag Chappy 7 shoutout challenge. That's 7 uploads in 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. If you're interested in participating, check the description below.
Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. With me as always is Mookie. Today we're doing the hashtag Chappy 7 shoutout challenge. And Mookie and I have a very special shoutout for this YouTube channel, Recette Di Sara. On her channel, she says she's happy to share recipes. She's a wonderful home cook. It's based out of Italy, so a lot of great Italian recipes. She also has a cooking blog. Go to www.recettedisara.com. Sarah says, give me some flour and eggs and you'll make me the happiest woman in the world. So go check that channel out. Give her a subscribe, give her a like, give her some comments. Tell her Chappy sent you. All right, we got a great episode coming up. If anybody's interested in participating in the hashtag Chappy7 shoutout challenge, there's just a couple rules. Rule number 1 is to have fun. I'll get back to that in a sec. Rule number 2, it's basically 7 uploads, 7 days, 7 shoutouts to 7 different YouTube channels. You don't have to have a YouTube channel to do the shoutouts, but it probably helps. Back to rule number 1, have fun. You can do shorts, you can do just shoutouts, you can do your full-length video. There's no deadlines, no callouts, so don't worry, Sarah. Just because I gave you a shoutout doesn't mean I expect you to do 7 uploads in 7 days. Rule number 3, use in the title or description hashtag Chappy7 shoutout challenge. And rule number 4, just leave a comment in one of my shoutouts saying I accept if you want to accept the challenge of 7 shoutouts in 7 days to 7 different YouTube channels. Did I miss anything, Mookie? I don't think so. We got a great episode coming up. First up, we're going to go get some authentic Hawaiian food. We're just going to go to the Market Mall here in Calgary. In the food court, there's a place called Hula, and I hear they have wonderful Pok'e. So we're going to get some Pok'e, take it back to the bar, try it out, and then we're off to the lake for Appies with Chappy by the lake. Mookie and I are going to make some chicken chipotle mac and cheese squares as appetizers for Appies with Chappy by the lake. So, oh, I almost forgot, Mookie. We got to make a drink. All right, so we're going to make a drink. This is called a Red Coat. I have my trusty bartender's guide here. And Red Coat, it looks like it's a martini style drink. We'll add some ice. And we got 1 ounce of vodka. And 1 1/2 ounces of white rum. I got some Bacardi Superior today. A 1/2 ounce of apricot brandy. It's stuck. And a 1/2 ounce of lime. I have some nice key limes today. So we'll put the fresh lime in there. Oh, they're juicy. Oh, the limes are quite juicy today. Good trick if you have dry limes is just pop it in the microwave for like 5 or 10 seconds. Okay, what else do we need for our Red Coat, Mookie? A teaspoon of grenadine. All right, we'll give that a shaky. And then we're just going to strain that into the martini glass. A little bit of key lime as a garnish. And that is a Red Coat. So coming up, we're going to Hula at the Market Mall. Take the Pok'e back here. And then we're going to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So stay tuned for that.
Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thank you very much. Get the hell away from me, Mookie, you little hound dog. Come on now.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today we're doing chicken chipotle mac and cheese squares. See here how I made them. Alright, I'm going to do my mac and cheese squares with some chipotle barbecue chicken. It's already cooked. We'll cut these up into squares. Nice big squares. Alright, these are drummies. I'm just going to pull the meat off. See what we got here. Alrighty. The instructions say it's like $3.75 for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, so into the oven at $3.75 for 20 to 25 minutes. We're just going to pull it off the bone. Alright, we need a beverage to go with our chicken chipotle mac and cheese squares, so I'm going to do a shark's tooth. I have a Tiki mug full of ice. Alright, it calls for 2 different kinds of rum. I just have one, but we'll do like 3 ounces of Captain Morgan spiced rum. 1 ounce of pineapple juice, a ½ ounce of lime juice, and then it says a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, and a 1/4 ounce of cherry juice. I guess this is the blood for the shark's tooth. And then I'm going to finish off with a little bit of club soda. And I got a nice maraschino cherry garnish. And that's my shark tooth. I'll go check on my chicken chipotle mac and cheese squares and see how it's going. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. And again, a special thanks to our shout out today, Recette Di Sara. What's that, Mookie? Oh, Mookie says I should quote the band Weezer. You can't knock the hustle. leave a 5-star review, and we'll leave you one too. You can't knock the hustle. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.